sound coming from you, Elor. Hi, and welcome to the developer chat this January the 11th, 2010, or 2010 as some other people are saying it. I actually want to start saying it 2010. I just gotta really train myself. 2010, that's how I'm going to say it from now on, 2010. I'm here with the Chaz, and
Hello.
we're here to talk about stuff. The usual, if you have a question, I think that with a crowd this small, we can probably just go ahead and ask your question while we're going. Just please try not to interrupt anybody. And if there's somebody else talking and you want to ask a question, raise your hand and I'll call on you when there's time. So let's get this party started, shall we? Chaz, the floor is yours.
Okay. Well, past couple of months since last developer chat, can everybody hear me okay? All right. Since the last developer chat, uh, as we mentioned a town hall ago, the project that's in kind of the that's being highlighted right now is the whole interactivity project. So that's where we give you as developers the ability to create items that have um, either effects like light or particle effects and things like that, and allow you to make them interactive and actually create products from those and sell them. And we are actually making really good progress on that. Um, the last release allowed us to bring in products that we can basically create on the fly without having to go through the submission system. So basically what you can do is submit an item, a model, a texture, normal means through Previewer. You'll select a interactive spec, and product submissions will check that out. And hold on, I'm getting an IM. Product submissions will do the normal review, and once you're done and it comes in World, you'll basically within World be able to add things like lights, particle effects, animations, action tags, and other scripted behavior. And then from there, you can create products from that, and those products will be available right away. So we have Vash is sitting over there. I at the beginning of the chat, I gave Vash a item to take out. Hopefully he has it, so maybe you could take that out now. Isn't this a thing of beauty? This is an example item one of the devs made for me and submitted that has the interactive framework attached. Hopefully,
It's dropped.
okay, it's going to make me a liar. I can't find the action tag. Too many action tags here to find it.
Did you turn the zone tags on?
I have them on.
Do you see the tag on it? It's that, yeah, it's the blue thing with an orange triangle in it. All right. So as you can see, Vash is turning that light on and off. So these are scripted behaviors that you'll be able to add to things. So this is kind of a simple example where you're turning a light on and off, but you'll be able to set up even more complicated things. Here, let me give you. I bet you I set this one where the decorator is the only person that can turn it on and off. You should be able to select it, but in this case it's probably set up where only the decorator can do it. So if you take a look at the link there, you as a developer will get that set page, and basically what you can do is add each of these. So right now there's an action tag and a light. So as I mentioned, we'll have things like particle effects, animation, texture settings, timers, proximity, so when your avatar gets close enough to it, it could do something, time of day, sounds. So basically what you'd be able to do is add each of these things to your object, and there's a thing called state on here. So right now there's 2 states, on and off, and the action tag can flip it back and on and off. You could have 3 states where maybe it changed to different colors each time you press the action tag. You could turn an animation on and off, or you could have an animation start spinning when you get close enough to it. So those are the kind of things you as the developer will be able to add to your item in World. And then as I mentioned, once you're done, if you look at all the way at the bottom, you can create a product out of that, and then